Hello students, I am Krishna Kumar, teaching anthropology at KRISHNA'S Delhi, and today I will discuss about an important anthropologist from Bihar, that is D.N. Majumdar, right? He was very famous anthropologist from Bihar, and this topic mainly focused to those students who have been preparing for Bpsc 66th interview and who have taken anthropology as their optional paper. So today I will discuss some important aspect related to D.N. Majumdar, right? He was great anthropologist who belongs from Bihar, and he was born in 1903 at Patna, right? So his birthplace was Patna. This is very important to you, because if you want to prepare your interview and if have taken anthropology as the optional paper, so it may be possible interviewer ask question related to anthropologists from Bihar. They may be asked a question, is there any anthropologist who belongs from Patna? So D.N. Majumdar belongs from Patna. His birthplace was Patna. So he born at Patna in 1903. After that he had done a postgraduate in anthropology in 1924, and he had done his PhD under T.C. Hudson of Britain. But our focus is that how he had contributed for the development of anthropology, because most of question come from the contribution of D.N. Majumdar for the development of anthropology in India, right? So you have to give focus on that aspect, contribution of D.N. Majumdar in Indian anthropology. Basically, he belongs from Bihar, and he had done work on Ho tribe of Jharkhand. Ho tribe of Jharkhand, also at Bihar, right? So his main work on Ho tribe of Jharkhand, that is changing Ho. So he had done a study about the culture of Ho tribe, and he observed about the some important changes in Ho tribe of Bihar and Jharkhand. So you have to remember another important contribution about D.N. Majumdar. In anthropology, he had developed an approach which is very famous, that is known as a mark, right? So it may be possible interviewer ask question, do you know about the approach of D.N. Majumdar, or do you familiar with the concept of mark of D.N. Majumdar? So that the concept of mark means man, area, resources, and cooperation. This is the four important thing in that concept: man, area, resources, and cooperation. So D.N. Majumdar said that if you want to study about a society or culture of particular tribe or any society, you have to understand that society as a whole by the study of these four important aspects of that society, right? Four important aspects. First is man. Man means human being. So because anthropology is the study of man in totality, so he said that if we study about any society, first we have to give attention about people who live in that society. Second important thing is that area means their geography. The role of geography is very important for the understanding of any society or social behavior of the people who live in that area, that is interlinked, interdependent and interwoven with their geography. So the role of geography is very important for the understanding of any society. And then he said that we have to study resources, means here we have to study about material aspect of that society, material aspect of that society, how they survive, what are their material aspect, what their technology, what they produce. And therefore here resources means we have to study about material aspect of that society or their culture. And cooperation means their relationship, relationship, that is the very important aspect of any society. So D.N. Majumdar proposed that concept for the study of society, for the study of tribals or any other social group. And he said that if you want to study particular society as a whole, so we make correlation among these aspects of that society. We have to make correlation among these four aspects: man, area, resources and cooperation, right? That is the base of society. So first you have to give attention about that. It may be possible they ask, do you have knowledge about the concept of mark given by D.N. Majumdar, right? So this is the concept of mark that is given by D.N. Majumdar, who apply that concept for the study of various tribe and caste in India. D.N. Majumdar, his main work on Ho tribe of Jharkhand, but D.N. Majumdar also did a study about Tharu tribe of Uttar Pradesh, right? Tharu present in Uttar Pradesh, presently in Uttarakhand. He did his study in Tharu of Uttarakhand because Tharu found in Bihar also. So try to give attention about the understanding of some cultural aspect of Tharu when you will appear in upcoming Bpsc interview. Then he did also a study on Khasas, polyandry in Khasas tribe of Uttarakhand. He also studied about Gond of Madhya Pradesh, and he did a study on Bhil of Gujarat. He studied about a caste village of India, and he was a very important anthropologist from Bihar because he did a study in physical anthropology. Also basically he also did a study about health and disease, about some tribe. He also did a study about race, and he tried to make serological data, anthropometric data, for the understanding of is there correlation between race and caste in India. And he found that there is no correlation between caste and race in India. And he also did a study in archaeological anthropology also. So he was great anthropologist who belongs from Bihar. He did a study in every aspect of anthropology. But it may be possible interviewer ask about a question of do you read about any book written by D.N. Majumdar? This is very simple question because one book written by D.N. Majumdar and T.N. Madan is very famous, an introduction to a study of social anthropology. So you maybe remember about this important aspect of D.N. Majumdar, and through that you can prepare your interview. Thank you.